Back pain really dealt with me. Experience that I'll never forget. Hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with back pain. Eventually, I survived it. Yes. So guys, let's jump right in. Let's stop over at the theory class of back pain. What is back pain? Back pain is a discomfort suffering caused as a result of an injury on the back, which extends from the shoulders to the waist. In critical situations, it may extend to the legs. The sensations of the pain may be burning, aching, stabbing, shooting. There are some risk factors for back pain. Number one is age. You may be surprised. Age, when I say age, back pain literally affects all population, whether you're a male, you're a female, elderly or younger. Have it at the back of your mind that anyone can experience it. Excessive weight gain. If your weight is above normal as expected, you may likely experience back pain. Lack of exercise. If you're in the WhatsApp group of those who find it difficult to keep fit, to exercise, my brother, my sister, back pain may be knocking. Improper postures in terms of lifting items, sitting, or even standing. You may want to know when to see a doctor if you're experiencing back pain. It's best to see a doctor when you experience an unexplained weight loss. There is no improvement with rest. The pain spreads to your legs, thereby causing weakness and numbness. When the pain remains persistent for more than 3 months, you've tried all medications, you've creams, and yet none is effective, you definitely need to see a doctor. And of course, the major consequence of back pain is disability. Disability in the sense that the activities of daily living of an individual will be altered. For example, sitting, walking, standing, maybe to become difficult for someone to carry out. Definitely no one to be in that category. That is why it's advised to treat back pain as early as possible and not to prolong it. My story. To the best of my knowledge, I began to experience pain towards the end of 2016, which I never paid attention to. In the beginning of 2017, the pain had increased, which resulted in diverted attentions for me. For example, in classrooms, wherever I go, what was always on my mind was pain, 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 pain. Remember, you can't sit for more than so number of minutes. You can't stand. There's no two ways about it. You will always feel the pain, pain, pain. That was the message my brain was delivering to me. Fast forward to 2018. This was the peak of it. By mid 2018, my sleep got disturbed. Sitting, standing, walking, pain, pain, pain. And that was the beginning of me exercising. But prior to that, exercise was never my thing. Aside the exercise, I got heat patch from the pharmacy, which helped me to an extent. I continued the exercise until 2019, but 2019 I needed to do better, especially due to change of location again. I ended up going to the pharmacy in my new location, got deep heat cream. This another type of heat patch, reason being that the one that I used before then was not available. Some other things that accompanied exercise, deep heat patch and the cream for me was correction of my postures in terms of sitting, standing, walking or lifting. For example, if I need to sit, especially at home, it's either I use a throw pillow or a pillow as support in order to get a balance. Secondly, I opted for firm mattress. When I say firm mattress, this kind of mattress that when you sit on it, by the time you get up, it's the way it was before, not the one that will go inside. Thirdly, I got a shopping trolley so as to stop straining my shoulders and neck whenever I go shopping. Please bear in mind, no special food, no oral medication. I eventually took my body mass index so serious to maintain normal range. Calculating body mass index is way easy. You do not need to make use of a calculator or go to an expert to do that. You can do that at the comfort of your home. For example, to calculate the body mass index, it's usually weight against height. This height is in meters, but if you need to do that at home, making use of a tape rule, stand upright by the wall, get a pen, place it on your head to create a mark on the wall. Once you create the mark, you take your tape rule. Now tape rule, or better still measuring tape, either of the two. Measuring tape is usually in inches and centimeters. The inches is from 1 to 60, while centimeters is 1 to 150. Measure from the beginning of the mark downwards. Once that is done, convert to meters. In converting to meter, 1 centimeter equals 0.01. So in this example, 170 centimeters is the height. So convert 170 centimeters to meters will give 1.7 meters. Your weight, if you have a weighing scale at home, is fine. If you need to go to a pharmacy to check your weight, is fine, whichever one, but you need a weighing scale to check your weight. Height is ready in meters, doing the calculation, and there you have it. For this body mass index, is within the range, and this is the body mass index range, right from underweight, normal, overweight to obese. Whichever category you fall in, it will fall in the overweight category or obese category. Have it at the back of your mind that a lot of work is needed. On a final note, creating a balance in terms of posture and being physically active are very important in beating back pain. That's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.